Have you weighed yourself today? Is your weight about 1 kilogram less than when you started off with Neumeal 14 days back? If yes, that's great. If not, don't worry. We'll do some meal adjustments. Here is how we will adjust the meals. First step is to do food log for 3 days. Yes, we discussed it already in last milestone. You tried it? We know that food logging takes time and is at times boring, but an accurate food intake measure is required at this point. Let's do it this time. Use a calorie counter app. Log in your food for 2 weekdays and a weekend day. Count your calorie intake as precisely as possible. Calculate your average calorie intake per day. Compare it with your target intake, your calorie allowance. Then you will know what you're eating for real and whether you need a diet plan adjustment or not. In case you need an adjustment, WhatsApp adjust to us from your registered mobile number used while ordering Neumeal, and our dietitian will reach out to assist you.